see without my eyes. The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me. White noise, what an awful sound. Falling by a river, feeling my fever.
This is nice. You want to go back?
Yeah, we should probably head back.
Woe is me. The first time that you touched me, oh, will wonders ever see?
Hey, grab my phone.
So I locked us out.
Trevor, you idiot! I don't know what I didn't mean to do it.
How can you lock the keys in the car?
Like what? I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry.
How long have you owned the car?
I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry. It happened.
Dude,
What are we gonna do?
We're stuck here.
What are we gonna
We're
do?
stuck here.
Well, what are we gonna do now?
I guess we have to walk.
I don't want to walk.
You're the one that locked the keys in the car.
I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean to. Lucien.
Boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. I say, boogum now, baby, you're casting your spell on.
Trevor, the sun is setting. My feet are tired. I can not walk another step.
Fine, let's just find somewhere to sleep then.
Where?
I don't know, let's just go this way.
Okay.
Here seems like a good place. We should just go to bed for the night.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Let's go.